Hey, this is Gabe from Gestura, and this is What's in My Basket. I was just at Anchovy Bar last night, and it was so good that this was the first place my eye went when I got here this morning. Stuart and Nicole gave me my first job in San Francisco, so shout out to them. This is an amazing product. There's nothing more elegant than a good coffee spoon, and this one is an Old English one by W. Wright. You could probably tell from the Gestura products that I'm a nerd about tumbled steel, and this is just a perfect example of that. So this is a zur, a Turkish mincing knife, traditionally used to chop meat for kefta or some kind of large format work. I'm probably going to use this when I just feel like crushing a case of scallions on a Sunday. Mama Teeves. They say that you're supposed to refrigerate this after opening, but it rarely even makes it to my fridge in the first place because it's that good. Shout out to Christina and the whole Teeve family. These, I guess in every restaurant that I've worked at, these are called sizzle trays or sizzle platters, and they're just perfect for cooking and having near you when you cook, and I feel like more home cooks should have these. They're functional and actually I think kind of beautiful as well. This to me is like the coolest book ever. It's sort of like the tartine bread of fish. Really, really well lit, beautiful photographs. Josh Nyland is like a one of one in the food world, and this is just endlessly fascinating, satisfying to read. Super, super excited to finally be able to release this offset spatula. We got really, really nice oak in Japan. It's beautiful flex steel that sort of flexes and goes all the way flat, snaps back. So it's sort of like a cross between a fish spatula and a mini offset spatula. It's a Japanese rust eraser, secretly my favorite item in the whole basket. If you're a carbon steel nerd, you use this all the time, and it's also great for cleaning stoves and things like that. So I think most people choose this, but for good reason. This is just a perfect tool. Made here in the Bay Area by Bruce Hill, fits perfectly into an 8-inch pan. Nothing else to say, but it's perfect. It should be in the MoMA. So these are the toriwake tongs. You see these or some version of these in like yakiniku restaurants, stuff like that. And I just think that they are so beautiful, kind of sculptural, abstract shape, and it's a single piece of steel. So this is a beautiful Nogent style paring knife, carbon steel. I think paring knives are really underrated, beautiful for cleaning small veg, and I just love the look of these. This is Gabe from Gestura. Thanks so much to Bernal for having me, and this is What's in My Basket.